In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design Amazon listing images with Canva. By the end, you'll know how to find the right starting point, open it in the editor, and tailor it to fit your product and brand so your listing looks polished and conversion ready. First, open Canva and head to the Templates area. This is where Canva keeps professionally designed layouts so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Think of it as your shortcut to consistent design. Fonts, colors, and layout are already coordinated, and all you'll do is swap in your own product details. Next, use the search bar and type Amazon listing. Hit enter to see a collection made specifically for product listings. You'll notice options for main images, feature callouts, comparison graphics, and lifestyle scenes. These are built with e-commerce in mind, which means spacing, hierarchy, and text placement are already optimized to help shoppers understand benefits quickly. Now take a moment to browse through the results. Look for a template that suits your category and brand tone. Clean and minimal for tech, warm and inviting for home goods, bold and energetic for fitness. Pay attention to how many frames or pages are included, where benefit text sits, and how large product images appear. Imagine your own product inside the layout and ask yourself if the design gives you room to highlight the top 3 benefits without overcrowding the canvas. Prioritize readability on mobile, since many shoppers view listings on small screens. When you find a match, click Customize this template. This opens the design in the Canva editor, ready for you to personalize. You'll see all the elements on the canvas, and you can select any photo, text, or shape to adjust it. Now edit the template. Replace placeholder photos with your product images by uploading them and dragging them into image frames. Keep lighting consistent and choose angles that clearly show the product's shape and key features. Update the text with concise, benefit-driven copy. Lead with outcomes customers care about, like durability, comfort, or time saved. Swap colors and fonts to align with your brand, and maintain contrast so text remains legible against backgrounds. Resize or reposition elements to create clear visual flow, using consistent margins and spacing. If available, use background removal to isolate the product for a clean, professional look. While you edit, keep Amazon's image guidelines in mind. High resolution for crisp zoom, minimal clutter, and large, easy-to-read text. That's it. You've located an appropriate template, opened it in the editor, and customized it to spotlight your product effectively.